Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are gonna be learning Urdu alphabet Alif Mad A. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos and latest updates. Okay, so Alif Mad A. Alif Mad A, Aam, आंख, आलू, आड़ू. Now we are going to do color of the day, that is gulabi. Gulabi. Anak, छतरी, घड़ी, केक, अंगूठी. Okay, so today we are making sentences. I am a girl. मैं एक लड़की हूँ. Or if you are doing I am a boy. मैं एक लड़का हूँ. I am in grade 1. मैं दर्जा अव्वल में हूँ. I study in Yorkville. मैं यॉर्कविल में पढ़ती हूँ. I live in Vancouver. मैं वैंकूवर में रहती हूँ और रहता हूँ. Vancouver is a beautiful city. वैंकूवर एक खूबसूरत शहर है. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. See you.